to NOAA Weather Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service simulcast on radio station KEC 57 at 162.55 megahertz from Fairplay in El Dorado County and on radio station WWS 67 at 162.40 megahertz from Wolf Mountain in Nevada County. Here is an important message for the following areas in California: Central Sacramento Valley, Southern Sacramento Valley, Northern San Joaquin Valley, Mountain Southwestern Shasta County to Northern Lake County and Mother Lode. Excessive heat watch in effect from Friday morning through Sunday evening. Watch dangerously hot conditions with temperatures 105 to 110 possible. Where? Sacramento Valley, Northern San Joaquin Valley, Mountain Southwestern Shasta County to Western Colusa County, Northeast Foothills Sacramento Valley and Mother Lode counties. When? From Friday morning through Sunday evening. Impacts: extreme heat will significantly increase the potential for heat-related illnesses, particularly for those working or participating in outdoor activities. Additional details: hottest temperatures are expected Saturday, with lingering major heat risk across the central and northern Sacramento Valley Sunday. Conversely, area waterways will continue to run cold and fast, creating dangerous conditions for those seeking relief in rivers and lakes. Monitor the latest forecasts and warnings for updates on this situation. Be prepared to drink plenty of fluids, stay in an air-conditioned room, stay out of the for Sunday, and check up on relatives and neighbors. Young children and pets should never be left unattended in vehicles under any circumstances. This is especially true during warm or hot weather when car interiors can reach lethal temperatures in a matter of minutes. The Sacramento City Climate Summary.